Welcome back. My name is Darson Grantham. On this channel, we really talk about the Des Moines market and the real estate. And on this video, I try to do them every week, every Monday, and just the activity that's happened in the last week. What's active, what has went pending, and what has sold, just to give people that are investing in the Des Moines area an idea of what investment properties are selling for, how many are getting listed, and what they're getting listed for, what they're getting sold for, the most important thing. So let's dig in here. We have just a couple, one active. We actually have no went pending. We have 4 or 5 sales, and I really want to dig into those sales when we get to there. It's at the end of the video. We'll dig into those and we'll really kind of look through what does that tell us about the market, what people are thinking, what investors are thinking, in my opinion on those properties. That one property that went active is 2305 26th Street in Des Moines, Iowa. And this property is on 26th Street, but it's actually on Hickman. It's in a really interesting area, kind of go up a hill, and you don't really know that it's a duplex when you look at it from the street. So right here, as you can see where my mouse is pointing, that is actually Hickman, I believe. Let's see here. So insides look good, pretty standard, nothing extravagant. Baseboard heat I'm seeing, some older wood windows, it looks like. Decent sized bedroom, kind of your lower end carpet. I don't know if you noticed that. I'm pretty sure that's kind of your low end, really fine, almost rug like carpet. This is different. This is a different update, more dark, some finishes. I don't see anything here that just screams absolutely needs updated before going into a rental. I see no garage, one parking stall, which is a little different. I see maybe one entrance into the property. No, here we go. Here's another entrance. So we have each side has its own parking spot. One of the units is kind of in the basement-ish, just because it's kind of a walkout. Okay, so like tells a little bit about it. One's a 3-bed and one's a 2-bed, which is very good. Let's see here, investor dream. It is close to all the hospitals. Broadlawns is within walking distance of this property. I'll pull it up on a map just so you have an idea. So there we go. This is where the property's at. Broadlawns is right here. So you're really close to that hospital, really close to downtown. Take a quick little zoom out. Downtown is going to be right down here, a little bit further down here. So you're darn close. Hospitals are going to be easily within 5-minute drive. So this could work as a midterm rental. I have a lot of people to ask about that. This would work as a midterm rental. I think depends on how lit up. There's no covered parking, which is a downside, but it doesn't look like your neighbors are very close. I do want to show you on a map real quick, just another how close is a Hickman. So you're basically on Hickman, right? So this property, yes, it's on 26th Street, but you're on Hickman. So your only neighbor is going to be this commercial. I believe this is a multi-family. Oh, no, it's not. It's Freedom for Youth Ministries warehouse. So you really have one neighbor, which is a company that's really doing good for the neighborhood. I really like it. I enjoy their coffee. I try to go there all the time. Let's see here. What else? Let's see listing history. So listing history, it sold for $175 in 2019. Let's see if the photos are any different. I like to do this just to see what has the current owner done for updates. Looks like current owner did either update the counters. They had to. I don't know if this was the dark counter one. No, this would be the lighter one. Same bathroom. Didn't point that out at all. That's good. It's got radon mitigation. That's awesome. Okay, so it was the lighter kitchen that they upgraded, or they've done some work to. Current owners painted some walls. These photos actually show a little bit better than what current photos are, in my opinion. Let's see what this says at all. Nothing crazy. So that's what we know about the property. Okay, so I'd say for 210 on the market 3 days, a 3-bed and a 2-bed. The neighborhood is not it's not an A-class neighborhood, but I think that it's a neighborhood that's getting better. And I sold multiple properties in that area. It's good for an investor, good for an owner occupied. I like this purchase, even at that 210 price. I mean, I think that's right in line with what the market will bring for this property. We'll see. You never know. But I think an owner occupied that has a 3-bed, 2-bath. Does it say that they're vacant? Doesn't say anything about what they're rented for. So it's hard to tell what they're rented for if they are rented, but good looking property. Again, in these videos, I try to just give an overview of what's going on in the market in the Des Moines metro area. My name is Darson Grantham. I'm an agent and investor here in Des Moines, Iowa. If you're interested in investing and you just want to say, hey, Darson, let's sit down, let's schedule some time, let's strategize on what it would mean for me to invest. in the Des Moines area, please reach out below. I'll have a Calendly link and you can just schedule right on my personal calendar and it'll sync up to what I have going on and make sure that you fit a time slot that fits on my calendar. So move on. So like I said, this would be the pending list. There's no, or excuse me, yeah, this would be what went pending. Nothing went pending in the last 14 days, which is a sign. Like, think about that. Nothing went pending. One property went on market, and we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 properties go sold. So what that's telling us is there's more selling that's happening than properties that are getting active and what's going pending. So continue to see probably a decrease in inventory would be my guess. So let's see these properties, see what they all sold for. 2400 East Tiffin on the market, 10 days. A brick duplex, I believe, on the south side. It was a good looking property. I did not get a chance to walk it. At that price point, it was a little higher than what I thought was something that even someone could live in, occupy. Turns out, let's see here. All brick with each unit having 1,000 square foot, 2-bed, 1-bath, a deck, and 1-car garage. Hey, someone bought that at $272. I think that's a lofty price for that, but obviously I didn't get to walk it, so I don't really know. Let me see the location on this. Just, I'm curious why it would have sold for. Seems pretty high for a sale price, just based on comparables. I apologize, it was not on the south side. Those are cute, good little neighborhoods back there that actually the interstate access, and that actually does make a lot of sense. 272. Yeah, you're an owner occupy it. Big property, brick, solid. So we're gonna go on to this one. This is a fun one. It's been on the market for probably a year. It says cumulative is 7. Oh no, excuse me. This is the wrong property. Scratch that. I did not get a chance to walk. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. So list price 155, sold for 135. It was 2 big units, bottom unit and top unit, a lot of square foot, weird bedroom layout, very weird layout, was in a fantastic neighborhood, did not have a basement that I could walk in, so I couldn't tell the foundation. It looked like it was sitting pretty low and pretty unlevel. But it was both units were rented, looked like pretty clean, good units, but sold for $20,000 below list price. Next one was 2509 and 2511 East 42nd Street. List price at 280, sold at 220. Again, I think you're seeing a commonality here. Things are getting listed for a price and they're selling for $20,000+ below list price. This is 2 bedrooms. Let's see what it's got inside. So we got parking in the back. Looks like there's some good updates. Has a basement, which is a plus. Back deck. Looks like a nice clean property. So 2 duplexes sitting beside each other. Let's see the location of these. So clear out over on the east side, almost to Altoona, Pleasant Hill area. Okay, so we got that property, 220 for side by side. I mean, I think that's pretty reasonable. I don't call it a good or bad purchase. We'll see. This was a fully renovated, converted single family, converted into a duplex, although it kind of looks like a built for purpose duplex. It did not have a rental cert when it originally was listed, but did end up getting a rental cert, from my understanding. Yeah, rental cert is active. It was a little quirky, but good looking property. Listed at 264, sold at 230. And then last but not least, this one's interesting. It's been listed, it's been for sale for, yeah, half a year, probably longer. Was needed a full gut, had many people walk it. This is going to turn into a really cool property or a huge project. Both. It could be both. But looks like someone bought it. Looks like they paid cash. Pretty sweet. Good for them. We'll see what that turns into. I love that area. I think it's got a lot of potential. My estimate was they would end up being a $900,000 property, but it would need a $300,000 rehab. So we will see what the outcome of that is, what they do with it. again, in these videos, I try to just give an overview of what's going on in the market in the Des Moines metro area. My name is Darson Grantham. I'm an agent and investor here in Des Moines, Iowa. If you're interested in investing and you just want to say, Darson, let's sit down, let's schedule some time, let's strategize on what it would mean for me to invest in the Des Moines area, please reach out below. I'll have a Calendly link and you can just schedule right on my personal calendar and it'll sync up to what I have going on and make sure that you fit a time slot that fits on my calendar. We'll continue to post videos, information about Des Moines, investing in Des Moines, and what it's like to build wealth in real estate here in the Des Moines metro area. Until next time, see you later. Bye.